In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my spin sweeper that I picked up from Aldi's for $12.99. If you're interested in seeing if it works, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm about to use my spin sweeper that I picked up from Aldi's, and right here I just have all the pieces out. You have the two circular brushes on each end and a long brush in the middle. And how the sweeper works is it just brushes the debris into the dustpan. And these are the handles. You just screw them all together. And this is a little brush that you use to clean the brushes. And I'm going to put it together and demonstrate how it works. Okay, right here I'm in my bedroom, and I'm going to start using the sweeper. The sweeper is designed to pick up the debris as the brushes roll from side to side, and then the one in the middle, so it just sweeps all your debris into the trash, into the dustpan part of the sweeper. And it only picks up debris when you push it forward. I'm just pushing it back and forward, just out of habit. And so I'm gonna go along the base board here and pick up this debris, which it did. Yay. And so my bedroom floor was kind of uneven, so I was getting some spots where it was not picking up the debris, and I noticed that. And it was also catching on to, I guess, some of the unevenness in the floor, and it was making the causing the trash to come out of the dustpan part. So later I'll also demonstrate in my hallway where I just had some floor work done where it's more even. But it is picking up the debris. And so first impression, I'm liking it for $12.99. So right here I'm going to do a little more sweeping. That's a dryer sheet, that big piece of paper on the floor. I won't be picking it up because I don't want to clog it up. So this is where I was getting a lot of unevenness. It was like, you see it where it's like catching on to something, and it's emptying the trash onto the floor. I didn't show you that part, but that's what it was doing. So I just continued to try to figure out what the problem was. And I finally realized it was just that my floor was kind of uneven in my bedroom. But it was picking up the debris. And it, like I said earlier, it only picks it up when I push it forward. So right here I decided to come out into my hallway where it is more even, just to kind of give the sweeper or smoother floor to sweep on, so I can really make sure that it wasn't my floor being uneven, or if it was the sweeper that wasn't doing its job. But the sweeper is doing its job. I'm liking it. So I know a lot of people have that $300 robot that sweeps your floor, which is fine, but that's not something I'm interested in spending my $300 on. I'll take my $300 and pay down some debt. So that was a sticker that was on the floor. So I was just making sure it wasn't a piece of paper. So I'm in my craft room right now, picking up trash. So yeah. So this is a budget-friendly way to save on a lot of sweeping when you're cleaning up. So right here, I'm just gonna go forward. I'm not gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna do it the proper way. You're supposed to just go forward, back and forward, forward. And it picks it up better that way. And this also lets let me know that I was out of shape, because usually when I sweep my entire house, I'm out of breath, and this helped. I was not out of breath like I normally am. So this was very helpful. So I'm impressed with the $12.99 sweeper. So as I said, I'm very impressed with the $12.99 sweeper. You know, I like to save money on certain items so I can get some of the things I want. So this is how you empty it. It has a door in the back, and you just open it up and just empty the trash out of the dustpan. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. So if you see this in Aldi's and you're interested, go ahead and pick it up. So this is my floor after I've used my $12.99 spin sweeper. I'm happy. Y'all have a nice day.